Many couples ask us, Doctor, when should we plan intercourse or pregnancy, or how long does the egg survive after ovulation? Understanding this simple timing can make a huge difference in your chances of conceiving, whether naturally or during fertility treatment. So let's try to understand this step by step. What happens during ovulation? Every month in a healthy woman, one mature egg is released from the ovary. This is called as ovulation. It usually happens around 14 days before your next period starts. For example, if your cycle is 30 days long, ovulation typically occurs around day 16. This is the most fertile phase of your cycle. Your body is preparing for conception. So once this has happened, what is the lifestyle now of the egg? Once the egg is released, it travels into the fallopian tube, and here's the key part: the egg lives only for about 12 to 24 hours. That means the egg must meet a healthy sperm within the short window to form an embryo. After 24 hours, if fertilization doesn't happen, the egg starts to degenerate naturally. So the egg's lifespan is just one day. But don't worry, the good news is that the sperm can survive longer. Healthy sperms can live inside the female reproductive tract for about 3 to 5 days. That's why even if intercourse happens a few days before ovulation, sperm can still be waiting in the fallopian tube when the egg is released. This overlap creates the fertile window, your most fertile days every month. So what's the best time for pregnancy? The best time to conceive is the 5-day fertile window, especially 2 days before ovulation, 1 day before ovulation, and the day of ovulation itself. These 2 to 3 days give you a highest pregnancy chance because sperm already present when the egg is released. To identify ovulation, you can track your cycle using an app or observe cervical mucus changes. It becomes clear and stretchy like egg white. Use ovulation predictor kits, LH strip, etc. or undergo follicular scans if you are under fertility treatment. Let me give you some important tips. Have intercourse every alternate day around your fertile window, which is around day 10 to day 18 for a 28-day cycle. Don't wait only for the exact ovulation day. Remember, sperm survive longer. Maintain a healthy weight, balanced diet, and avoid stress. All these help regulate ovulation. If your cycles are irregular or you're not sure when you're ovulating, consult your fertility specialist for help. To summarize, the egg lives only for 24 hours after ovulation, but sperms can survive for 5 days. So plan intercourse in the days leading up to ovulation for the best chance to get pregnant. If you wish to understand more, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.